Hello everyone, my name is Ray and today I'm providing a video review on an ACVCY. Basically it's a plug-in LED light. Now this LED light has three fan blade-like foils that basically are able to be posed in three different directions. Now in this particular garage, and this is going to be a tricky video review for you to really fully appreciate because the way that the iPhone is recording, it looks like it's kind of light behind me, but it's really kind of dark. And I've had a light bulb screwed into the overhead socket for quite some time. And basically that light bulb just kind of throws down one sphere of illumination. Now this particular light that you're looking up and that you're seeing the review for, you can tell in the product pictures that it has three foils or fan blade like pieces that are covered with LED lights that shine out in different directions. They're directional, and you can pose basically the blades to face wherever it is that you want to illuminate. In this particular case, I faced two foils towards the front of the garage, where one foil is illuminating this corner in front of the vehicle that you see on my left here, and the other foil is illuminating behind the other vehicle that normally would be parked on this side of the garage. So I'm going to turn this light on, and momentarily what you're going to see is, if you look at the bottom and the flooring of the garage right here, you might be able to tell that there's quite a difference in terms of the amount of light that's being thrown out. So, see what I mean? In this particular case, it's as simple as screwing in a light bulb to improve by light years the type of lighting that's in your garage. The other beauty of this product is that it's LED. It's a very white light, kind of like daylight itself, so the light is very pleasing to look at. And again, it eliminates those dark spots in the corners of the garages. So let me show you again with the light off. And you can see how the flooring is basically not even really illuminated. With the regular light bulb, it looked about the same. But with these three panel LED lights, not only am I throwing light into the corner there, but I've also kind of got an additional amount of supporting light here. Now I have an LED light bar up at the front of the garage, or at the back of the garage, that's throwing light towards the direction of the camera that's recording this presentation. But again, in terms of how this light works, there's really nothing like it on the market that I had seen. It's a really neat product. And if you're considering this item, again, it's as simple as screwing it into an existing light socket, and all of a sudden you have exponentially more light throughout your garage, or whatever area it is that you're trying to light up that has a single light bulb overhead. I hope that helps you to make your product decision. Have a great day, and thank you for watching this video review. Peace.